On Bitrise, every app has an owner. Owners have full control over the app, and only an owner can delete an app. You can read more about the different roles and access rights in our documentation. By default, the owner is the account that was used to add the app on Bitrise. It can either be a personal account or an organization account. However, you can transfer ownership at any time, and it's really simple. There are actually two ways to do so. First, we'll go through how an individual app can be transferred, and then we'll talk about how you can transfer multiple apps at the same time. As we said earlier, only owners can do this. So first, make sure that you're the owner of the app that you want to transfer. If the app is owned by an organization, you have to be an organization owner to be able to transfer ownership. Be aware that also you can't just transfer an app to anyone. You can transfer it either to personal accounts who are members of the app's team or to organizations to which your account belongs. Alright, to do the transfer, open the app on Bitrise and go to the team page. Click the Transfer Ownership button. From the drop-down menu, select the new owner. It can either be a user on the app's team or an organization that your account belongs to. Once you've selected the new owner, just click Transfer Ownership and the app will be immediately transferred, and only the new owner can give it back. Now, there is one other way. When you create a new organization, you might want to transfer your apps from your personal account to the new org. If you have a lot of apps, doing them one by one is tedious. Thankfully, you don't have to. Once you create a new organization, you will be prompted, as you can see here, to transfer your apps. Simply toggle the apps that you want to transfer, like this, then click Done. Don't worry if you didn't do this when you created the organization. You can do it at any time. Just go to Account Settings, find the organization, then go to the Apps menu. Here you can see all the apps owned by that organization, and under that you'll find the Transfer Apps button. Click it to bring up the app selection menu, choose the apps you want to transfer from your personal account, and then click Done. Be aware that when you delete an organization, you will be asked to transfer all of its existing apps, because every single app must have an owner. And that's it. If you have any questions, let us know, and you can also go and read some more in our documentation. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe.